first day here, and it's super windy, so I hope you can hear me. And we are just going to surf Diana, and finally I put my GoPro on my surfboard, so you can see and I can see what's how I'm doing.
Morning guys, we have beautiful day in Lanzarote and we are going to explore a little bit the north part of the island, the little bit the mountains, some viewpoints, and I wanted to show you what you can get in Lanzarote for 35 euros per night. So this is the room. You have a kitchen here. So you have kitchen, living room, you have beautiful bathroom and as well bedroom. So this is basically what you can get for around 35 euros per night in all around the Canary Islands. Maybe not in the most touristic places. For example, this is in the north and it's very far away from almost everything, but we have this beautiful view on the mountains. It's looking very beautiful here. It's looking a little bit like in Iceland because you have black ground and everything is so green. And as well you can get in all the Canary Islands the car like I have, Volkswagen Polo, or maybe smaller or bigger, around 15 euro per day. So it's not so bad. The cost of the gasoline it's around 1 euro per liter, so it's not so bad. So we are going to explore it, so see you. We just came to Mirador del Rio. It should be beautiful viewpoint and we got beautiful view already here because as you can see it's like in Iceland. You have here beautiful contrast like in Iceland. You have black ground and everything is so green, like very saturated green, and we are also in the same level as are the clouds, maybe a little bit above, I don't know, but we will see. Out from Mirador because you have to pay for the viewpoint. There is something like restaurant or something. It's 5 euros I think for that, and it's not so worth it to go and see the viewpoint there. I think it's my personal opinion. Maybe you think the difference, but we've seen many beautiful viewpoints. Now we are going to somewhere else. Guys, we stopped because we tried to go to the Corona It's a crater here in Lanzarote. It's beautiful on the pictures, but we didn't find any hiking path to go to the top, so we couldn't see it. But I have a drone with me, so I will fly a drone and I will show you the crater and also the nature right here behind me. It's so beautiful. So let's see it. It should be some beautiful cave with some pool or something like this. I'm not exactly sure. And here is the entrance. The price is $9.70, I think, for normal adults, but after 3 p.m. you get a 20% discount, and you have also this beautiful nature right here. So let's go inside. Now we are in Jameos del Agua. It's very similar to Mexican cenotes, and here you have like natural pool from the volcanic cave, and you cannot throw the coins here, you cannot swim there because there are many small crabs. I will show you. This little creature is a crab and it's alive, even though it's looking unreal. So that's why you cannot swim here or to throw the coins. And they are very unique as well. We are going here. There should be some pool. And see you there. Morning guys, so today we have a beautiful day in Lanzarote and we decided to explore a little bit the south of the island, and right now we are in Los Harvaderes or Harvaderos, and this is it. You have here beautiful cliffs, beautiful water, maybe some water blows, so let's go to explore it. Playa del Mujeres, and this is how it looks like here, and you have to pay €3 entrance fee. It's like a gate before you are entering Playa del Papagayo, Playa Mujeres, and the road is like something like this. It's just rocks and dust, and we are going to see it here, so let's see. Just came to Playa Papagayo, and here is one beach and there is a second beach, and it's on the right side and it's looking much better than this one because there is not so many people, so we are going there to see it, so let's go. Good morning guys, we have the last day in Lanzarote. I want to summarize the trip in Canary Islands. So we visited Tenerife, Gran Canaria, Fuerteventura and Lanzarote. The best for me was first Tenerife, second Lanzarote, third Fuerteventura, and the fourth, the last one, was Gran Canaria. Tenerife is amazing island. It's a big variety of the sceneries. In the north you have very beautiful nature, very green, very humid, and in the south there are many beautiful beaches, and you have it like more like relaxed. In Lanzarote it's like tropical Iceland. You have many beautiful places, not so many things to do like in Tenerife, so it's for a shorter time, but it's also very beautiful, very similar to Tenerife. And in Fuerteventura I just recommend it for a trip where you want to just relax and enjoy beautiful beaches of Fuerteventura, maybe to surf there. And Gran Canaria, I don't know, there are just some beautiful dunes and not so many things to do. It was the worst island for us from Canary Islands, but maybe somebody else have different opinions, so it really matter about the personal feelings, but for us it was the worst. And during my trip I tested these amazing shoes because a leader sent it to me. They are very light, very light, and they are breathable. As you can see, there is just some fabric, and this sole, it's a quick drying, so when you get into the water is actually dripping from the sole, so they are drying very quick. And if you are like me, like you want to go to some mountains, you want to go to some beach in one day, and you don't want to go to the mountains in your flip-flops, then this is very good choice, because they are light, durable, breathable and multi-use. And I have very special offer for you. If you want to buy them, you can get now 15% discount code. Just use this discount code here, and the link is in the description, so you can order them. And I recommend it if you are a traveler or you are looking for some water shoes where you can use them in the waterfall or something like this. I'm not saying this just because they send it to me for free. I will never do a review without being honest. I just love these shoes. So now I'm going to use them a little bit to show you how they are working. So see you.